Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 15 Plus, any new iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. Now this method has changed on the latest iOS version. So first thing is you need to go ahead and add the control that will allow you to do screen recording. So in order to do that, you're going to pull down with your finger the control center right here. Now once you have pulled it down, you're going to see a plus icon, and then you're going to go ahead and tap on that plus icon. From there on, you're going to see add a control. So you're going to click on add a control down here, and from there on, we want to look for the screen recording feature, which is going to be a circle, two circles within each other. You can also search for it here. If you don't see it, it's going to say screen recording. You're going to tap on that so it gets added to one of the controls, and then tap anywhere on the screen to exit out of that screen edit mode. Now once you have done that, we have added the screen recording, we can go ahead and start a screen recording. But there's a couple ways that you can start a screen recording. You can simply tap it and it'll start one, but if you want audio and sound, you want to long press and hold until this menu pops up, and then allow microphone to be turned on right here where the microphone setting is. And then you're going to want to select the place that you want to store the recording. So here I put it in photos, which is a default one, and I tap anywhere else. And then in order to start a screen recording, simply tap on it. And since we have the mic on, it's going to do a countdown up here, and then you can tap out, and as you can see here, it's going to start recording. Now in order to stop the recording, you're going to simply tap up top, click on that here, and it's going to stop it for you just like that. And then it'll be saved to the photos. So if I open up my Photos app, I'll be able to see the recent recording with the sound that I just recorded, just like that. So that's how you do screen recording on your iPhone 15 series. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.